Okay, I found the trail I want. The app I'm using, Gaia, does not have trail names on it. At least I couldn't find them. So I had to walk a ways until I saw the arrows going in the direction I wanted to go. So we are back on trail. Not that we were off trail. So this is all around us. I'm surprised there's nobody out here biking or walking. Maybe it's too hard for them. Okay. It's like it's right there with the X on it. A couple of leaning over. Blah, blah, blah. So one question I have from somebody. I don't hear anything. On the video it says over 5 minutes of Sasquatch sniffing sounds. I don't hear anything. Well, did you have your volume on? They don't do subtitles. It's not in the transcript, which is something new that YouTube has started, providing transcripts, which is not always true to what people say. I'll point you this way for a few minutes, coming into the sun, back across the power lines. So the sniffing sounds here. Now, if you go back to my earlier videos, which hardly anybody ever watches, you will hear them making blowing sounds into the camera, which they do in two ways. One, they use infrasound, and the second way is they actually are near me to make those sounds heard. Alright, there's a sign. Should say. Okay. Get it back up here. Shade. See which way I'm going here. Let's see. I think I want to go to the right. Alright, let's go to the right. I think this is the way we want to go right here. So they use infrasound, which that means they can be walking normally parallel to me for their voice or their noises that they make. Usually like a casting way of doing things. And the other way is they're actually right in the same vicinity as I am, making noises, making sniffing sounds or blowing sounds. So at first, I would say, a year and a half. Okay, let me check it. Yep, this is the way I want to go. Okay, just want to make sure. This particular park has like 30 miles of trails. Anyway, infrasound. That's the way I came. Power lines. So the infrasound they use blowing sounds, or the earlier ones they had. And here's an interesting fact. You'll hear it on my older videos, which like I said, not too many people watch because they watch the newer videos. And then in August of 2021, yeah, 2021, I went to a particular park, won't mention name it, and we went there on a Saturday, and they were making blowing sounds into the video camera, which was really exciting. And then I went back, and I uploaded the video, and I heard the blowing sounds, so I knew there was Sasquatches in the area. So I went back, I think maybe like Tuesday, got the name of the clan leader, and his mate and their kids. And oh, woodpecker. Let me see that. There we go. Oh, just took off. Oh, there he goes. Anyway, let's see if I'm here. The woodpecker, a red-headed woodpecker. That's the one I know. As I was saying. So I went there on Tuesday, talked to him, got his name, his mate's name, kid's name. We went back the following Saturday, and they started doing the sniffing thing, which I thought was pretty weird. One weekend you're blowing into the camera, next weekend you're sniffing into the camera. There was quite a bit of interaction. Those videos are the older videos. So feel free to go back and watch the older videos, and you can hear the changeover from blowing sounds to sniffing sounds. But the older ones have a lot of timestamps on them for when they were making those sounds. I'm not sure. Where's that go? Let's see, where am I here? It's not even on the map. It's one of those. Oh, it goes. Oh, I see. It goes to somebody's house. All right. Well, I'm not going that way. Okay. We'll continue it this way. As I drop my phone again. Man, it's the second time I dropped it already once. Okay. So blah 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 blah. So yeah, now they do sniffing sounds, which is I don't know the reason why they didn't tell me, because they felt like it. So. Sniffing sounds are exactly like that. So it's sort of like this. If you, mine is much louder, obviously, than what they do, but the sounds are consistent with someone sniffing into the camera. So, okay, change hands here. Normally they're on my right. So it came from. This is all around me. It's a fantastic breeze right now. Huh? So nice. Not any arches out here or X's or much of anything. I'm not going up too long because of my knees. I have knee problems. There's an arch. Right there. One arch. Just going to do a panoramic of photos. That one took longer than I expected. Sometimes you see them, sometimes you don't. Alright. Oh. There's an arch right there. of a sudden I see a whole bunch of arches. Height indicators. For those who have not seen the previous video or two, arches are for height indicators as well as portals. X's mean we are here. Broken trees are for height indicators. Like, I don't think that's a broken tree, but I don't know how to tell from here. Might be. Could be a bent tree. Here's just a bent one. Didn't break. Well, it might have been an old break. And it's down here now. So if that was used for a height indicator, that's like it's like 12 feet high. That would be starting at the elbow to break that strength. And they use that as a indication of their strength to impress the females. Say, hey, I'm looking for a female mate. Watch me break this tree. Oh, you're so strong. That's what I'm looking for, is a strong Sasquatch man. I don't know if they say it like that, but something like that. Voices in the background you can hear coming up to our residential area, which is where I'm parked. It's a residential area. As I said to say, I'm not going to be out here too long. I have knee problems. So, oh, there's a couple of arches right here. And being held on by that tree right there. Right there. Dueling arches. And it's right there. Pinned. Let's go check it out. Get a little closer. We got a natural lie. Maybe. Pinned right there. Cool. Footprints on here? I don't usually look for footprints, but let's go right here. I don't see anything. So it's been used recently. The big linger over there. Now it goes all the way across. Broke off from someplace. Oh, broke off from right there. Came from right there. Now it's possible they broke that to create an area to make these two arches, which are 10, maybe 12 feet high. Let's go over here. And then you got these. Got that linger over there. Coming up over here. It's interesting. So it looks like from a different position. Those two arches on the other side. Pinned right there. Right there. And one over there. Can't see it from here, but Oh, see, that's loose. That's not even from here. Check that out. That's not from here. That was placed there. No. Yep. That's not from there. That's placed there for a particular purpose. Sorry about being on Zoom. My apologies. So. Somebody's claiming that area for themselves. It's nice and cool over here. Let's see. I'll walk back there. Where will I end up? Alright. I'll walk behind people's homes. Not that far from where I started at. Okay. Let's go that way. Another small arch right here. As long as I can get through there. They'll let me know if they don't want me going someplace. Well, that's very rare. Very rare if they say, no, we don't want you working in our area. Because we know who you are. You're a nice guy. Broken chair there. They don't fear me, I don't fear them. None of these people need to have a gun with me. Walking on all of this stuff cautiously. So I got my house right there. I walk down there. Go and see. Pallets back here. Non-furniture. Non-furniture. Let's see. Straight through here. It's going to be a long video, so bear with me. Okay. Then I'll just follow it like that. And doubt it. There's Sasquatches over here. Like it anyway. Oh, just cheerleaders. Oh, that's a prickly tree. Prickly tree. Careful. Here. Mess that up. Okay, so I'm right here. Watch right here. Plenty of battery power. More arches, 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 and more arches. Arch. This is an arch here. I thought that was an arch, but it's not. Might be eventually, but not right now. Birds are here. Good. Looks like a trail going right through here. Ooh, it's a branch. Another notch right here. Alright, some photos. Maybe there's somebody watching me. Oh no. I could be just by myself.
Go away, Mr. Vicky, I'm with you.
Okay, Jade. Thank you. Just follow it like that. Relax. Well, yeah. Check it out. This one is independent. This one is in the ground. No, it's just stuck there. Stuck right there. This one is stuck on that right there. Yep, independent. Didn't I just fall like that? Some more creativity going on over here. Another notch right there. Oops, wrong way. Wrong way on the runway. Oh, battery's getting down there. Keep an eye on it. Right over here. You can see that. It's right there. There's the top of it. So keep an eye on it. Alright, let me check my map. See where I am. Oh, come on. Alright, so I want to go back this way. Oh, sorry, I'm going straight. Alright, halfway there. Alright, big arch over there. See if you want to see the arches, you have to go up trails sometimes. You don't always make them on trails. Where did I just see that arch? It's right here. Right here. Right there. And there's a broken tree right there. Or a broken branch. Where is it? Take my word for it. Okay, so there's a trail over there. Oop, there's an arch right there. There's an arch right here. Surrounded by arches. There's a big arch right there. Sorry if I step on something important. It's not done intentionally. That's so cool out here, man. It's a great place to park a chair. If I had one. I was supposed to bring my walking chair with me, but got on the highway, got to exit 8, and I was like, oh, damn. I got my chair at home in the basement. Alright, this is interesting. Yeah. Oh, that just folded like that? Okay. Let's see, I'm gonna trail through here someplace. Arch. A broken tree. Keep it on the battery. Going down. Broken trees. Really, don't fall and impale yourself on these branches, that's gonna hurt. Alright. Dislocating crap everywhere. Nice big rock. I'll go this way. Paper. Ready to poop. making headway. That's where we came from. Oh, look at that stuff right there. And this is where we're going. Much better walking up the street. To some extent. Ouch. There's a sharp branch. I just fall like that. Maybe. I'll cut this guy. Okay. Look at that. You can see my vehicle from here. Cool. I won't show it to you. Then you'll know what I drive. But I'm going to come out on the trail and I started on. So, let's do a little bit of berry power lift. So thanks for coming by, walking with me. Well, I did the walking, he did the sitting, watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it, subscribe, tell your friends about it. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. If you'd like me to do a Q&A with Sasquatch, I would definitely be interested in doing that. But you need to provide me some questions, because I kind of like ran out of questions to ask them. There's a trail. Over here someplace. So, are they walking? This way. Little arch. 2-footer. Yeah, feel free to ask me questions, you know. As of right now, I get yes, no, maybe, and if they're really adventurous, they'll use telepathy to give me an answer. But it's not all the time. It's some of the time. Oh, excuse me. If you live in New Hampshire, northern Massachusetts, I live in Nashua. So, if you live in this area and you think you have Sasquatches on your property and you want me to come by and talk to them for you, ask them questions, I would be more than happy to. I do not need to go to your house. I just need to be in the vicinity of where the property is. And you can talk to them. It's a trail right there. Hey! Here's the trail. Wow. That was adventurous, folks. I can tell you. This is where I started from. Yes. That was adventurous. I enjoy walking on the trail. So anyway, like I was saying, if you live in southern New Hampshire, up to about maybe we'll say, if you live in New Hampshire, up until, I don't know, Tilton, straight across, so between Nashua, or the Mass New Hampshire border, up until a straight line across from like Tilton, New Hampshire, a straight line across to like Vermont, Maine. Or if you live in Massachusetts, in the area of from, you know, I would say 10 miles south of the border of New Hampshire, Mass. And you think you have Sasquatches. And you've had some things going on your property that you're not sure of. And you want me to interact for you with them. Feel free to get a hold of me. Sasquatch Creativity at yahoo.com. And I would be more than happy to make arrangements to come to your place. And I don't have to come to your house. That's what I mean. You do not need to go to your physical house. I can go to a road that is adjacent to the property, and I can communicate with him from there. So your identity remains anonymous. You don't even have to be there. That's the hill that's going up to my vehicle, so I'm going to stop right here for a moment. So like I said, you don't even have to be there if you want to remain anonymous. Just tell me where your property is, what kind of interaction you're having, so I can refer it to them, and I will make a video of me connecting with them, getting their names. Usually it's clan leaders who I talk to. It's a big boulder. And if you want to know their mate's name, children's names, ages. Oh, there's the trail I saw earlier. Oh, it's not the trail I took back. Maybe my own trail. I would be more than happy to come out and make a connection with them. And then you can watch the video on YouTube. Or I can, put it, I have another channel. Unedited videos. I think it's called Unedited Videos in New Hampshire. Something like that. Alright, I can send that to you, or I can download it there, you can go check it out. Either way, I'm available. So right now, I know 35 Sasquatches by first name. So the one for this area is Kafut, K-A-F-O-T. I can contact him from home. I don't need to come back out here. And, which I will. I will get his age, see if he has a mate, see if he has any children, how many members of his clan are there. That sort of stuff. It's always good to know. The more I know them, the more of them that know me. So I can go anywhere and make instant connection wherever I go. And that's the fun part. I'm not looking to see them. I'm not looking to photograph them. I'm looking to interact with them. See what they make. Their creativity, their arches, their broken trees, X's, that sort of stuff. That's what I'm looking for. I'm not looking to see them. I don't need to see them because I'm in contact with them. That's what most people don't understand. I'm not a researcher. I'm just a guy who likes walking out in the woods and being able to connect with Sasquatch on a personal level. Because let me ask you this. If you heard any sniffing sounds or other sounds on this video, which I hope to have them done, have you heard any other or watched any other channels that has had the same noises on their channels? If you check the last 4 out that I just posted, which, if you watched the first one, which was Bear Brook State Park, I was in a pissy mood that day, and I wasn't going to post it, but I finally decided to post it after I heard all the noise on it. So, it's not too often I'd say where I was, but it's a big park. It's got I don't know, maybe 50 miles of trail, so you won't know exactly where I was. Maybe you will, I don't remember. Anyway, it doesn't really matter. I'm babbling here. I'm not looking to find them, they find me. They know where I am. They know where I am at all times. But if you've ever heard any other YouTube-related channel that has sniffing sounds or blowing sounds on it, I'd like to know about it. If not, then I must be unique to be able to have all those sounds. And other researchers, so-called researchers, do not have those sounds on their videos. I do not edit my videos. What you see is exactly how it was recorded. And I post them exactly as it was recorded. I do not edit the videos. Actually, I'm not that smart to edit videos, and I don't have the patience to edit videos. Why would I want to edit videos and leave out something that might be important? Because when you walk out in the woods, do you edit yourself? Of course not. A few more arches right there. Oh. Alright, still recording. Alright, I'm going to sign off looking at that. And thanks for watching. Good day.